Hello my friends, Katie here with Eastwick's Paper and Ink, and today I'm bringing you a masculine thinking of you card. My husband has a friend that he works with that got some pretty bad health news unrelated to the COVID-19. And he's like, can you make me a card that's, I was like a thinking of you? Well, yeah, but I want it manly. So he was pretty stoked when I showed him this last night and said, this is totally me, totally what I would say. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into the video. So I'm just going to go over a few supplies. We're going to be using the Tim Holtz Mechanics Embossing Folder, and I bought this die set from Hobby Lobby. It's from Momenta, I believe is the brand. Peek over here at it. Yeah. And then we're going to use some stamp set. I'm going to use that little die there to show you the sentiments I'm going to use from Simon Says Stamp, Everyday Messages, and it's the one that says, I'm here for you. And then the other stamp set is from Mama Elephant, Just a Note. And I'm going to be using Sending You Good Vibes and Positive Thoughts. And I've got a piece of that I'll stamp the I'm Here For You sentiment on. That's the Fabriano Black paper. And then of course I'm using the metallic cardstock from Tim Holtz, number 3, the dark, almost black one, just to give a color comparison of those two colors. And then I'm going to be using a piece of silver from the metallics craft stock from Tim Holtz as well. And I'm going to be using some Gina K Designs white layering paper for the inside panels. And I'm going to be using Gina K Designs Stormy Sky for the card base. And we're going to use some eyelets, and I'm actually going to use that very first one that I picked up. And I think that's it. A piece of foam, just to, once I start putting the card together. So I'm just going to take the piece of metallic cardstock, craft stock, and I'm going to trim that down to 4 by 5 1/4. I'm just going to start off with that size card panel so I don't have to trim it down once I emboss it. And what's nice about this is I actually, and I'll show you once I get it done, I ran it through the die cutting machine 1 time. He says you can do it 3 times, but I get a really fantastic brushing with just 1 pass through. So I'm just taking 1 spritz of water on each side of the cardstock. It's just a bottle of water I have. And this is just 1 pass through. And as the cardstock sits, I notice that you can take a cloth or your finger and rub off. Now I'm just dabbing off some water droplets that were still on there, but you can actually over time kind of wipe off, dust off the top of this metallic cardstock. You don't even need to use any type of sandpaper to get some of that silver to pop off, to give it extra dimension. Now I've saved you the trouble of watching me die cut every single letter. What I have is I did 4 layers of black cardstock to create like a chipboard effect, and I'm just showing you me die cutting out the silver. I just used my Sidekick to cut out the little letters, and it was absolutely perfect. So I'm going to go through, and I've put together, these are all the cutouts, and I put together all the black pieces, and now I'm just going to put together the top part, which is the silver metallic cardstock, just to save you the trouble. In that little bottle of glue, I'm actually trying out a different type of glue. I love my art glitter glue, but sometimes you need something that gives you a little wiggle room. And I like to buy some things in craft, in bulk, and glue is one of them. I'm not going to pay a fortune for glue, but I want something that works and is archival and acid free and all that good stuff. So I'm just taking my little poker tool and just kind of marking where I want my eyelets to go. And I line it up as best I can. I'm not worried about being overly perfect. And so then I just take my crocodile and punch the holes in. I stick a little piece of tape to kind of hold that down. And once I punch my holes, I go ahead and put the eyelets in, and that will just attach that banner, "I'm here for you." Now I'm going to go ahead, and I did switch over to my art glitter glue because of the dimension that's on the metallic cardstock. I want to make sure that it's going to adhere. Still playing around with that other glue, so I didn't want to take any risks. At the end of the video, you will be, I took some close-ups to show you the dimension of that cardstock with the letters, to show you the depth and stuff, and I really am really pleased with how this came out. And you know what's nice about this is you could dress this up any way you want. So you could do, "Dude, happy birthday," "Dude, I'm so proud of you." You know, there's some other in this particular stamp set, messages for every day, that you could, "Dude, feel better soon." I think I said "happy birthday." "Dude, I'm thinking of you today." These are just some of the sentiments that are just in there. So it really is, you know, pretty universal. And of course you could use any of the metallic cardstocks, you know, craft stocks, to be able to make a card like this. So you can have it for any kind of occasion. Now, because it's a masculine card and I didn't really use much in the way of stamp sets, I went ahead and I'm just marking excuse me, the corners of my panels, and I'm going to add an eyelet to each corner. And normally I don't always add a layering piece on both panels on the inside, but my husband likes to write on the left side of the card, and I like to include a sentiment on the inside of the card. So obviously, if you're making this card, you don't have to have two panels, but I know, you know, how he likes to fill out his cards, so I made sure to have an empty space for him, or extra room, however you want to look at it, with both sides. And so before I go ahead and add those eyelets, I'm going to add my internal sentiment, which is the sending you good vibes and positive thoughts from Mama Elephant. And I just, you know, I think it's a really super encouraging, you know, message to send somebody who's got some pretty devastating news. So I wanted to add a piece of fun foam to the back of that panel, because I want to make sure that if it's going through the mail, it doesn't get crushed, it doesn't lose that dimension by the time that it gets to them. And so I'm just adding some score tape to, I think that's a 1.5 inch, just to make it quick and easy. So before I forget, as I'm putting the card together, the ink that I use to stamp the sentiment on the inside is VersaFine Claire's Nocturne. And I also used Brutus Monroe's Sterling Embossing Powder for the front sentiment that I embossed that says "I'm here for you." And I used Gina K Designs Embossing and Watermark ink. Just so you know, some of the products that I didn't mention or show on camera. So that's going to finish up the card for me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys are staying safe and finding stuff to do. I appreciate you coming and watching my videos and liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. And stay safe out there. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of the card. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I'll catch you in the next video.